Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to lock 4G network on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. Well, locking your device to a 4G network can ensure a stable and consistent internet connection, especially in areas with weak or fluctuating network signals. This can prevent your device from switching between different network types, which may result in the interruptions or slower data speed. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. First, you can open the dialing application and then enter the following code to access network settings. Okay, and then click on the phone information menu. So, here you can find the option Set Preferred Network Type and tap to view other options. Well, after that, search for the LTE only option and tap to select it. By doing this, you have successfully locked your device to a 4G network. However, this action will prevent your phone from receiving messages or calls. So, to revert to the previous settings, you can perform the same steps as before. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to lock 4G network on Infinix GT20 Pro 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.